6.5. So, ladies, if you're a 6.5, here's this one-of-a-kind heart ring. It'll be available very, very soon on my site. 6.5. So I sell all my rings. Let me move back to that. I sell all my rings currently now on my eBay store. It's just a lot easier that way to use eBay for now. I'm looking to open up an Amazon store within maybe the next week or two. But right now, I have my eBay store. And let me let you know too, I will be keeping my eBay store and my Amazon store. Just rounding this ring out right here a little bit. Alright, get that round look. And while I'm on here, let me just tell you what this one is in case anybody's interested. It's a 9.5. Check it out. 9.5. This is what I've been doing all morning. Is fixing the rings, straightening them out, getting them prepared for their acid bath, which is also called pickling. So that'll eat all the impurities off from where the weld was. I welded the ring together. Yep. And then the stage after that is the tumbling process stage. When it's in the tumbler actually strengthens the metal. Makes it a lot harder, and also polishes it. Once it polishes the ring, it spends about, well, I let it sit in the tumbler for roughly hour and a half, 2 hours. Some people tumble all day, all night, 24 hours. I find it to be effective about an hour and a half. Then after that process with me, I have a buffer. I'll buff the ring out, give it that high shine. And after that, I stage it to take pictures of it to place it online for sale. And after I take the pictures, I bag it up. I separate them by size. And then they just wait for you to come take them home with you. Alright, so that's pretty much how the process goes. I appreciate you tuning in here watching the video. And if you have any questions whatsoever, my email address is Adonis, ADONIS, Pratt, PRATT, @gmail.com. Right? You can send me that, or you can go to the page Knuckle Jewelry on Facebook and message me anytime. Let's go through these. I got a few more to go through. Oh, this is a nice ring. Moving all this off a little bit. And I will make a custom ring at any size for anyone. Let's see what this one is right here. This one right here is a size 11. And it looks beautiful. It's a size 11. Look at that. You'll be able to see this online as well too. Alright. This is an 8 ring, or an infinity. I did that one. Let's round this off. This looks pretty good too already. This right here, oh wow. It's a size 8, and it's an infinity ring, which the infinity sign is 8. Wow. That would look nice. Let me put that on. Now I have terrible fingers, so you could wear it that way. See? You know, I have terrible fingers once again, so, you know, don't hold that against me. Or that way. This right here is a wrap ring. These are real favorites. Now, once again, you're looking at them. They're not done. They're not in the acid bath. They haven't been tumbled. They haven't been polished. They haven't been buffed. These are just strictly works in progress right now. So, you see that right there. Now, this ring and all of them will look extremely beautiful after I'm done. But this is, I like this. I really like this. Sand a little bit of, and all of my jewelry price starts off at $5 and ends up around $9.95, and that includes the free shipping. So you can actually get a beautiful one-of-a-kind ring shipped to you for the price of $5. All my jewelry is sterling silver, right? Everything is sterling silver. I have just came up with a few pieces in gold. It's not solid gold. It's called gold fill. And on those rings, I'll in the description, I'll explain to what gold fill is. All right. Or you guys can Google it, you know, which I know a few of you probably already Googled it now. This is an awesome ring. This is a very, very awesome ring right here. This is awesome. I love this ring. I do. Look. Now, I have terrible, terrible fingers, but look at that. Can you imagine you with that on? Look at that. That's beautiful. Once again, I'll have these pictures up, posted of these rings. That's beautiful. Oh, you know what? I've done a few rings like this. I was just trying something different. So what I did was wrap silver coil around a circular ring. Well, semicircular. And they're freeform, but it's sterling silver. Check that out. I'm really into making unique pieces. Just unique pieces. For the unique women out there, please just take time to look through every piece. If there happens to be something that you really, really, truly like, and it's not your size, then what I'll try and do is accommodate it and make it your size. If it's possible, just send me a message, actually grab the picture and send me the picture of it, or comment on it and say, hey, is there any way you can make this ring here my size? And I will definitely work on trying to do it for you. I like this one too. That's for the risk taker. That's for the woman who wants to make that statement, that real statement, you know, who got that bad dress or them jeans, you know, to make that bold statement right here. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. This right here is a size 6. So all you ladies that's a size 6, it's only one of these, you have to grab it. You have to grab that. As soon as it's ready. It's not ready yet, but when it is ready, which will be, let's see, today is July 3rd. I'll do my very, very best to have that ring up there by July 5th. It's another beautiful ring right here. Right here I tried to show off with the diamond cut right there. Once again, these are works in progress. So you're seeing them right now, so get your bid in on them. Get your bid on what ring you want and look for it. Knuckle Jewelry on Facebook, right? Or Knuckle Jewelry on eBay is my store. Knuckle Jewelry on eBay. But look for us. Straighten this one out. It's like really the sneak peek. Oh, here's another bold statement ring. Yeah. I understand my jewelry is not for everybody, but if you like being different and unique and love compliments, it's the jewelry for you. Look at that. I'm sorry about my rough hands, ladies. You know, I'm sorry. This right here, let me tell you what that is. That's a 9. That's a 9 right there. Nine and a half. All right. Well, until next time, I'll see you. Here's another gemstone.